The best little snack for my Aquariuses at home? Caramel popcorn, with blue kernels, of course. For the best popcorn, medium-high heat and a thin, even layer of oil. Oh, Colonel, you look so good in blue. A little bit of baking soda to lighten up the caramel. Three foods Aquarius should never eat. 1, keep away from the anchovies. There's just something fishy about them. Hot dogs. Frankly, not a good idea. And last but not least, eggplant. Is it an egg or is it a plant? Who knows? Sesame seed crunch. Look at this. Cooled, rested, and ready to eat. Cheers. That just takes you right back home to the fair. So there you have it. The do's, the don'ts, and dining for Aquarius. Remember to love yourself, and the universe will always follow.